Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, we are going to be preparing the most delicious vegan pizza you have ever tasted. This is egg-free and butter-free, so it's really good. Let's get started. Our first ingredient is going to be 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour mixed with 1.5 cups of whole wheat pastry flour. Next, 2 teaspoons of sucanut sugar or any other sweetener. Next up is 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. This is basically one package. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix this very well. Now for our last 2 ingredients, 1 cup of warm water. As you guys can see, this recipe is very easy to make and very simple. And our last ingredient, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to mix everything together and incorporate everything well. Now if it's easier for you, you can knead it with your hands in the bowl, or you can pass it to a floured surface and knead there until it forms a nice medium stiff dough. And now we're going to place our dough into a floured bowl, and we're going to let the dough rise until it's doubled. So as you can see, I have spread out my dough into a pizza pan, and we're going to fold the corners to make a nice crust. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. So while the dough is baking, we're going to prepare our toppings. The toppings that I will be using are mushrooms. I think they're called the Bella mushrooms. Spinach. And last but not least, black olives. Now for our last 2 main ingredients we're going to be using today, it's going to be the organic Marinara Tomato Sauce you can get at your local Trader Joe's, and the daiya cheese that you can get at any natural food store. I will link in the description down below where you can find it. Now we're going to spread our Marinara Tomato Sauce onto our pizza crust that we have made. Now we're going to add a little bit of our cheese. This is just so the vegetables can stick, and we're going to sprinkle evenly all around our pizza. Now you can add the rest of your toppings. I'm going to be using these toppings. So since I'm using spinach, I'm going to place spinach next. You can follow along with me, or you can use your own toppings. Feel free to do different mixes as well. Now that you have placed all your toppings, you're going to go ahead and add the rest of your cheese, sprinkle it evenly all around the pizza, and it's our finishing touches. Now we're going to bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. And here are the finishing results. I hope you guys enjoyed making this video with me. I can't wait to dig in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Share with all your friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!